Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something special lined up for you. We're diving into the world of gadgets. From the practical to the downright futuristic, we scoured the internet to bring you the top 9 coolest gadgets that are worth your attention from Amazon. So, without further ado, let's get started. 9. Ultimate Ears Fits. While Ultimate Ears mostly creates custom ear monitors for musicians and audiophiles, the Ultimate Ears Fits Truly Wireless are their only earbuds marketed for more casual use. They have a kind of customization that isn't seen in other mainstream products. These in-ear headphones have ear tips that mold to your unique ear shape, thanks to Lightform technology. There's an integrated LED light built into each bud, and the companion app walks you through the process. The Ultimate Ears Fits aren't compatible with PlayStation or Xbox consoles. You can use them with Bluetooth-enabled PCs, but their latency is likely too high to be suitable for wireless gaming. The Ultimate Ears Fits come in 3 different color variants: gray, lilac, and midnight blue. We tested the midnight blue variant, and you can see the label for the model we tested here. We expect our results to be valid for the other variants as well. 8. Polk Signa S4. Immersive audio standard Dolby Atmos had a fairly inauspicious start when it came to soundbars, with speakers such as the Yamaha ASP5600 being both crazy expensive, $1,500 or more, and extraordinarily huge. But in the following years, with the help of companies like Vizio, the size of the products and the wallets needed to fund them became more manageable. Now, with the Polk Signa S4, you can buy a true Atmos-capable system for half the price of a compatible AV receiver, and it's fairly compact, too. Dolby Atmos soundbars are designed to add the dimension of height, which makes them great for action movies and video gaming. What distinguishes the Atmos-toting Polk Signa S4 from other $400 plus soundbars is its physical upfiring speakers. Competitors such as the Sonos Beam Gen 2 use psychoacoustics to mimic height effects. 7. FatMax Power Claw. Introducing the revolutionary FatMax Power Claw, a game-changing innovation in the world of clamping technology. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker, a metal fabricator, or a DIY enthusiast, this tool is designed to streamline your projects and enhance your efficiency. The FatMax Power Claw's design is the result of meticulous engineering, combining robust construction with intuitive usability. Its power grip technology ensures a secure hold on your workpieces, eliminating the frustration of slippage or misalignment that can occur with traditional clamps. What sets the FatMax Power Claw apart is its versatility. With adjustable jaws and a wide opening capacity, it can handle a variety of materials and project sizes with ease. From delicate woodworking tasks to heavy-duty construction projects, this clamp is up to the challenge. Customers rave about its reliability and performance, citing significant time savings and improved results in their work. 6. Glucosint Bookmark Style Reading Light. For about $15, the Glucosint Bookmark Style Reading Light offered all of the features we wanted, plus features we didn't even know we should want. This light seems to be growing in popularity in online book lover communities and on #BookTok, and it lives up to the hype. This reading light offers 5 brightness levels as well as 3 light temperatures to choose from, allowing you the greatest level of light customization of all our picks. When used on books of varying sizes, this device was able to cast enough light so we could read both pages clearly. We were also able to twist the light to adjust the angle as needed. Our testers found that the device never interfered with turning the pages, which was not true of all the lights we tested. 5. The Masking Master. In the realm of anonymity, there exists a legend known as the Masking Master, whose enigmatic creations have bewitched the world. With each intricately crafted mask, this elusive figure transcends mere disguise, embodying a multitude of personas with breathtaking artistry. Yet the identity of the Masking Master remains veiled in mystery, sparking speculation ranging from supernatural abilities to clandestine artistry. Whether a reclusive genius or a mythical being, the Masking Master's legacy is etched in the annals of creativity, inspiring wonder and fascination for generations to come. The Masking Master's allure lies not only in the craftsmanship of their masks, but in the tantalizing mystery that shrouds their persona. Some clandestine artists meticulously perfecting their craft in the shadows, while others weave tales of a transcendent being, capable of assuming countless identities at will. 4. DJI Mic Wireless Microphone System. The DJI Mic $329 is a wireless system for vloggers and content creators. The package includes 2 high-quality microphones, a receiver, and a charging case, plus all the requisite adapters and cables for connecting to your camera, computer, and phone. Recordings sound crisp, and the system is easy to operate, but some design choices are puzzling, such as finicky record and link buttons on the transmitters. The system also isn't quite as functional when you pair it with a lighting adapter for iPhones, as you're limited to mono recording. which isn't the case over a USB-C or 3.5mm connection. For $299, the Rod Wireless Go 2 is a bit more affordable and seamless to use, making it a slightly better buy depending on your needs. The transmitters each measure 1.9 by 1.1 by 0.7 inches H&D and weigh 1.1 ounces. It looks a bit like old-school beepers, with rounded black contours and clips. Each transmitter also has a magnet for scenarios in which the clip isn't ideal. Square magnets snap onto the clip, which you can configure to work through clothing or into a stand on a flat surface. 3. Anker PowerCore Slim 10K PD. It's tough to shop for charging accessories without stumbling across Anker's products. Case in point, the company offers 30 different power banks in its portfolio. Some offer wireless charging, others deliver 45 W speeds, and several even have solar panels and built-in flashlights. Sometimes, however, you just want a simple, slimline portable charger that does the basics well. In this Anker PowerCore Slim PD review, we'll see if this power bank ticks those boxes. It's not the largest or the fastest, but today we're checking out Anker's 10,000 mAh PowerCore Slim PD. It packs a USB port and a USB-C, which top out at 12W and 18W respectively. Anker's lightweight power bank measures 149.6 x 68.6 x 14.5 millimeters and easily slips into a pocket. The entire design is plastic with a circular button on the top to check the remaining charge. Like most Anker products, it relies on a set of 4 blue LEDs. 2. Lens case carbon fiber case. iPhone photographers looking for ways to add extra creativity to their photographs may be interested in the lens case. An iPhone case featuring 4 camera lenses enabling you to add extra creativity to your shots. Featuring a fisheye 10x macro, 30x macro, 2x tel as well as wide-angle CPL polarizing filter, carbon fiber case and metal lens construction, the iPhone case is now available via Kickstarter. iPhone photographers looking for ways to add extra creativity to their photographs may be interested in the lens case. An iPhone case featuring 4 camera lenses enabling you to add extra creativity to your shots. Featuring a fisheye 10x macro, 30x macro, 2x tel as well as wide-angle CPL polarizing filter, carbon fiber case and metal lens construction, the iPhone case is now available via Kickstarter. Looking for a do-it-all photography lens kit to unleash your creativity for your iPhone 13 series? Lens case is a 5-in-1 carbon fiber phone case that combines macro lenses, telephoto lens, CPL filter and fishy lens to give your iPhone DSLR camera capabilities. 1. Anker PowerCon C200 2K. The Anker PowerCon C200 is a budget-friendly webcam that doesn't skip on useful features. Whether you're looking to upgrade your home office or just your laptop, the PowerCon C200 promises crystal-clear videos, even in low lighting, at a price that won't break the bank. The PowerCon C200 was designed for personal workspaces, and it's capable of shooting 2K video at an impressive 30 frames per second. Anker offers an adjustable field of view, 65, 78, or 95 degrees, impressive AI noise cancellation, and dual stereo mics to pick up every nuance of every syllable. Ounce for ounce and pixel for pixel, is this one of the best webcams you can get right now? Keep reading our full Anker webcam PowerCon C200 review to find out. As of this writing, the Anker PowerCon C200 webcam is available for $60 on Amazon and $70 from Anker's website. This is less than half the price of the older, better-equipped C300, which is marketed more toward the business crowd with wider viewing angles and enhanced audio capabilities. And there you have it, our top 9 coolest gadgets that are worth your attention. There's something on this list for everyone. So, which gadget are you most excited to try out? Let us know in the comments below. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with all the latest and greatest gadgets. Until next time, happy gadget hunting.